So hello guys, this is engine and transmission mount. Okay, this is why your car Chevrolet Sonic got vibration and unusual sound. So when you got unusual sound, you need to change engine transmission mount. Okay, it is available under battery. Actually, it's available on both sides. One here, one there.